Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class we will discuss about how to declare a variable in C++, right? So in this class we will discuss how to declare a variable in C++. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all you have to open the file and create an empty file, right? And just save it and save it as variables.cvp and save it, right? So basically we are having integer int, right? Integer int, and after that double, right? So these are our data types, right? These are all data types. By using these data types we have to declare the variable. So first one is integer, second one is double, and string, right? String, and we are having boolean, which is bool, and we are having the next thing is which is char, right? Character and bool. So on this data types we will see integer and the string, right? So first of all we have to write the program called hash include io stream right? So after that you have to write using namespace std, right? Then now you have to open the main function, right? Here I will declare int a is equal to 50, right? And b is equal to 45, right? 45, right? And int multiply is equal to 50 into 45, right? So how you have to print it? Just using cout and less than symbols, right? Two less than symbols, and write the multiplication to variables a and b are. So here you have to specify the variable, which is mun, right? Yeah. So after that you have to return 0, return 0, right? So all the things are correct. Just build it and run. So yeah, here also you have to specify the, just save it and build it. Yeah, there is no warnings now. Just click on run, right? Process return 0 into 0. Click on enter and just remove all these things. Just print null. So just build it and click on run. Yeah, now we got the answer as 2 to 2250. So in this way, we can declare the variables in the C++. So first you have to specify the data type int, and you have to specify the variable, and you have to give the value to the variable. Then you can do the arithmetic operations like multiplication, addition, division, subtractions. So you can do operations on it, right? So in this way, we can do the arithmetic operations. And for example, so instead of this, or leave it like this, I'll just take another variable called string str is equal to, right? String str is equal to champion, right? I have written the champion in the str variable, right? So how can you write it? Just write I am and plus concatenate str. Yes, just save it and click on build. Save it, build. I can click on, okay, you have to remove this thing and click on build. So 0 warnings and click on enter. See, I got I am champion. I am champion. So in this way, we can print the string. In this way, we can print the string, right? Example, if we having bool, right? And I will take variable as result is equal to true, right? So if you want to print it, just use cout return symbol and just print result, right? Save it, just save it and click on build. 0 warnings and click on enter. Right, we got 1, right? See, we got 1, so which means it's true, which means it is true, right? And if you want on the next line, you just have to specify /n, right? Save it and you have to remove this thing first. Click on enter, save it, build, click on build. 0 warnings, click on enter. See, now we got 1 on the next line. So in this way also we can write the program, right? If you want to print on the next line, you have to use the /n, right? You have to use the /n. For example, if I use, instead of true, if I use false and save it and click on enter here and click on build, 0 warnings and click on the run button, then you will find 0 because it is false. It is false. So in this way we can print the boolean values. And we are having char, right? Char ch is equal to, if I write a, and if I want to print on the next line, what you have to do? You have to give some space and you have to write 2 less than symbols and you have to specify this /n, right? After that, you have to write cout less than symbol and the character, right? And the character. Just click on enter here and save it and click on build. So 0 warnings and click on enter. See, we got a. So it is character, it is boolean and it is a string. right? So in this way, we can do the operations in C++, right? So you can declare different variables using different data types, right? So I hope you understand all these things, right? And the last one is double, right? So we did not see the double. So double value is equal to, just specify the decimal values 1.546, right? So I'll just give the semicolon, and after that slash n, right? So after that we have to specify the cout slash slash and value, right? And save it. Just click on and just save it, and click on build. So 0 warnings, and click on run button. Then you will find the boolean value also. So in this way you can write the boolean values, character, bool, and double values, and the string and the integer, right? So first we saw the integer, second we saw the string and boolean, character, and the final value, final data type is double, right? So in this way we can do operations in C++. So I hope you understand all these things, and if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out, and if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon, then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.